look at problem 7 using Onshape. So for this one we have a figure that looks kind of like a set of steps almost. So what we're going to do is kind of look at these dimensions. We've got 5 inches for our overall length, 2.5 for our height, 1 5/8 for the depth of each step, and then 13/16 for the height of each step, and 1.5 inches for our overall width. So let's go ahead and go to Onshape, and we're going to go to create a new document, call this problem 7, create. We're going to sketch this, so start your sketch from the front plane and then center up the view cube, so we're looking at the front view. We're going to begin with a corner rectangle just so we have some basic construction lines and some points to work from, some reference points. Click that second point of the rectangle, then you can just type in 5 for the overall length, hit return, 2.5 for the overall height, hit return again. Now we can start making our steps with the line tool, and I'm just going to click on the top line and just kind of bring this down. I'm not real concerned about the dimensions at this point. You could, if you wanted to type in right there, you could type in the dimension. It was 13/16. So you can actually just type in the fraction and then hit return, and it converts it right away to a decimal. And then I'll sketch the depth of the tread, and I'm just actually going to go ahead and bring these out and just connect the points. So I use my line. I'm done with the line. I'll hit escape to end that. And what I want to do now is actually go back and just kind of show you what I'm doing. This tread depth is 1 5/8, 1 5/8, and the height is 13/16. So I'm gonna that's where I'm getting the numbers. So then again, I'm going to dimension from this line to this line, and then place the dimension kind of off to the side and make that 13/16 again. And then I need to go ahead and add the length, or the left to right dimension, horizontal dimension here. That is 1, and if I hit 1 space 5/8. Oh, syntax error. Let's just see what happens here. So let's just do, that's 1.625, and I'm sure there's a way to type a whole number and a fraction in there together, but this is the other one we need to make 1.625. There we go. So now we can just trim off the part we don't need. Use the scissors there, the trim tool, and trim these off. And then we've got our steps. Now we're going to extrude that, so finish the sketch, click the green check mark, hit the corner of the view cube, go to extrude, select our shape, and that's going to be 1.5 inches, so 1.5. Just like that. Then let's right click on the planes, hide all planes, click the corner of the view cube so we get a nice image of our model. And that pretty much takes care of it for this particular problem. Thanks for watching.